When you talk about scaling AM, it's very different than traditional manufacturing, because the reason is that almost all of the producers in the world of AM product are doing it on a very, very small scale, right? They're doing 5 parts, 50 parts, 100 parts. Then when you get out into industry and someone says, I need 50,000 parts, I need 100,000 parts. And so a lot of those people those companies are not really used to doing that. So one of the issues is, how do you take all those processes which work 1 off, 2 off, 5 off, 10 off, and then scale them so they're reliable consistently week in, week out, doing thousands of components. And it's everything from the supply chain of powder to making sure your equipment's operating 7/24, to the quality assurance testing, to the part validation, to shipping and logistics. So again, not that it's easy to do additive at any scale, it's very hard. But if you're just doing 1 off and 2 off and 10s and 12s, that's one thing. To scale reliably is very hard. And then you have very large OEMs, right? Boeing is depending on 100 of those parts a day. You can't afford to disrupt that. So that's the risk, and that's the complexity around scaling AM. I'm Colin Osborne. I'm the president and CEO of Samuel Son & Company. And we think that additive manufacturing and Burloak Technologies is really going to be one of the cornerstones in manufacturing.